the unsolved mystery of the Flannan Isles Lighthouse. Welcome, fellow seekers of the strange, to Serpent Key. Tonight, we delve into a true historical enigma, a baffling disappearance that has haunted the shores of Scotland for over a century. A tale of three men, a remote island, and an empty lighthouse. Our story begins in December of 1900, on the remote and rugged Flannan Isles, a cluster of windswept rocks off the west coast of Scotland. These islands were largely uninhabited, save for a majestic lighthouse, a beacon of hope for ships navigating the treacherous North Atlantic. Manned by a crew of three experienced lighthouse keepers, Thomas Marshall, James Duckett, and Donald MacArthur, the lighthouse was a vital lifeline. Their shifts were long, their isolation profound, but their duty was clear: keep the light burning. On December 15th, a passing steamship, the Archtor, noted that the Flannan Isles light was dark. A chilling silence had fallen over the island. But it wasn't until December 26th, nearly 2 weeks later, that relief keeper Joseph Moore finally managed to reach the island. What he found there has puzzled investigators and armchair detectives ever since. No distress signals, no signs of struggle, no bodies. Just an eerie, inexplicable void. Inside the lighthouse, a scene of unsettling normalcy mixed with profound disarray. A half-eaten meal sat on the table. A chair was overturned. A set of oilskins, meant for braving the harsh weather, remained on its hook, suggesting one of the men had left without it. The lighthouse logbook offered tantalizing, yet ultimately confounding, clues. Earlier entries spoke of violent storms, hurricane-force winds. But then, an entry by Duckett on December 12th noted, "Storm ended, sea calm." And even more bizarrely, an entry from December 13th by MacArthur described him as sobbing. What could have caused such distress in an experienced seaman? Theories immediately began to emerge. A rogue wave, a colossal wall of water, could have swept the men away as they tried to secure something outside. But why then would the oilskins be left behind? And why no signs of a struggle near the railings or entry points? Other, more fantastical theories surfaced. Alien abduction? Sea monsters? A secret mutiny? Perhaps? But without any tangible evidence, these remained firmly in the realm of speculation. The official inquiry concluded that the men were likely washed away by a rogue wave. But for many, this explanation feels incomplete, unsatisfying. The sudden, simultaneous disappearance of three experienced men, leaving behind such a strange scene, continues to defy easy answers. To this day, the mystery of the Flannan Isles lighthouse remains unsolved. Three lives vanished without a trace, swallowed by the vast, indifferent ocean, or perhaps by something far more unsettling. What do you think happened on that isolated rock? Share your theories in the comments below.